On lots of mass transit systems around the world, the current collector device shoe, or CCD shoe, is a part which, in contact with a third or a fourth rail, collects current to power the train. The CCD shoe is made of a metal carrier, a wearable carbon piece, and some bolts. These elements cannot be dismounted, meaning the whole system has to be disposed of once the carbon is worn. But this was before Mersen invented the EcoDesign CCD shoe. It is the first current collection product designed to be recycled and whose non-wearable parts are reused. Of course, the highest levels of safety were considered and respected during its development, reaching higher performances than the standard design in this field. Moreover, the innovative assembly of the EcoDesign CCD shoe brought several other advantages, from the improvement of the production safety to a better resistance toward corrosion and impacts in application. Practically, once a carbon part is worn, the shoe must be sent to one of our workshops. It will be separated, inspected, reconditioned, related with a new carbon part, and sent back to the end user to be installed again on the train. As a result, the wastes are reduced and the recycling of each part is improved thanks to dedicated recycling pathways. By starting to use the EcoDesign CCD shoe, you initiate a virtuous cycle and make, with Mersen, a step towards eco-responsibility and eco-mobility.